Alrighty, now we can get going. Here's the oil change on the C5. Let's see if I can crack this. They love crescent wrenches, eh? I love crescent wrenches. Oh, shoot. I didn't want that to happen. Let's see here. A little tight, a little smaller. There we go. I'm going to start to see the oil start to come out. There we go. Yeah, I need to be changed. This is the most efficient way to change oil in a lawnmower. I love this system. Some sort of weird tube, I don't know what it's made of. Connects to the drain bolt, and you never have to turn this thing on its side like you do with the old style. You know, you tip the carb side up on like a Quantum or Intac or whatever. Let that drain, and I'm going to quickly get up, grab my oil filter wrench pliers, and we're going to take the oil filter off. Let's turn the knob a little more. There we go. That's a really dirty oil. Let that drain out. And I'll be right back, you two folks. Alrighty, I'm back. Now for the fun part. Yeah. Move the camera a little bit. Show out my new pliers. And I put about 3 underneath this, because when I take this off, this is gonna what the heck? Should be the right size. Should be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now be warned that when you take this off, there's going to be some oil coming out of here, but that's normal. So I'm going to do this very fast. Yeah, see, it's already oozing. I'm going to do this very quick. Make sure I don't get that on the ground. Oil spill, wipe that up. Gonna clean around the filter. Get that all clean. That oil drain out. Brand new oil filter. Dip my finger. And you coat the O-ring. Doesn't matter if the oil is dirty or not. Doesn't matter. Doesn't hurt it. Just to make sure everything is clean. Yeah. Now when you do this, don't use the wrench to tighten the filter, you damage it. You get it on so that this, if you're worried there's something might be on it. Okay, that's all. Okay. You should start to feel it there we go. Just like your car. Just gotta take this off just to make sure it's oiled just fine. Yep. And you turn this till you can't turn it anymore. Not too tight. There we are. Oil filter is installed. Okay. Get it up. Okay. So that takes care of phase 1. Now phase 2 will be tightening this up. So I'm going to get on one knee because I don't think I will let this drain out. Just take your, there we go. Now we add oil. We're going to add oil and then we're going to run the engine outside, idling of course. I have some 530, that's not going to hurt it. Okay, this is empty. I want to make sure that we clean all the grass so we don't get any crap in there. .530 oil. Gonna hurt nothing. Ooh. Shit. Fuck. Okay, 1 sec. This rag's clean. So I'm going to check the oil now. I know it's hard to see on YouTube. I've been showing on the dipstick. I have to oil up till it's full, then I'm going to run the engine to fill up the oil filter outside, and then I'll recheck the oil level. Now we're showing oil on the dipstick. A little more. I don't know why the guys at Arcom didn't change the oil in this thing. Oh well. Okay. Just clean oil, I like the smell of that. A little more oil, just a little bit. That's good. Alrighty, so that's done. Now I'll pick up all this hoo-ha. Pick up all the, oh no you don't. dirty rags, pull this off. I'm gonna set this down. Sorry, I'm not paying attention on YouTube, that's okay. Let's do the plastic on this. Now what we're going to do, since the oil is full, I'm going to pick up my camera, I'm going to restart the engine and wait for the oil filter to fill up. I know it's 5:30, it's not going to hurt nothing. Shit, I don't have it. Okay. 1 second. That's better. That's good. Okay. So now we're going to pick up the camera. Now we're going to take this outside. Safer to run it outside than it is inside. I'm going to let this idle on half throttle for about 2 minutes. So this should fire up. Here we go. Check the leaks anywhere. Okay, so that's how there's no oil leaks that I see of. So I'm going to set my camera down on the chair. I'll be right back. Be right back. Alrighty. So now that the engine's been run for a minute to check the oil, I'm going to check it now. And as you can see, it's got some in there, but there's no oil. Okay, be right back. Sorry about that, you two people. I didn't mean to be disrespectful. Okay, so we're going to top the oil up. As you can see, it's just, even when I pour this in, it's steaming, so that's blow-by. Okay. Alrighty. Almost there. A little bit more. Don't overfill the engine. That's good. Okay. Yep, right where it should be. So that concludes this oil change on the JX85. Clean all the oil off it. Clean all that up. And there you be. I can't touch it with my hands. Yeah, okay. So I hope you enjoyed that video. That was me changing the oil in a JX85, so take care.